Welcome to my YouTube channel. Places to visit in Bavaria. Bavaria, often referred to as Bayern in German, is one of the most iconic and culturally rich regions in Germany. Located in the southeastern part of the country, Bavaria is known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and deep-rooted traditions. Here's a closer look at this captivating region. Geography and natural beauty. Bavaria boasts a diverse range of landscapes. From the towering peaks of the Bavarian Alps in the south, including the famous Zugspitze, Germany's highest mountain, to the lush, rolling hills of the Franconian Jura in the north, Bavaria's natural beauty is simply breathtaking. The region is also dotted with pristine lakes, such as Lake Chiemsee, Lake Starnberg, and Lake Constance, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Rich history and culture. Bavaria has a long and storied history that dates back to the early Middle Ages. It was once the heartland of the powerful Holy Roman Empire and later became a kingdom. This historical legacy is still evident in the region's architecture, art, and culture. Bavaria is known for its medieval towns, charming villages, and magnificent castles, including the world-famous Neuschwanstein Castle, which served as the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Folk traditions and festivals. Bavaria is synonymous with lively folk traditions and colorful festivals. The Oktoberfest in Munich is perhaps the most famous beer festival in the world, attracting millions of visitors annually. Traditional Bavarian clothing, including lederhosen for men and dirndls for women, is commonly worn during these events. Bavarian folk music, characterized by the cheerful sounds of the accordion and the alpine horn, is an integral part of the cultural tapestry. Cuisine and culinary delights. Bavarian cuisine is hearty and delicious, with an emphasis on meat, potatoes, and dairy products. Iconic dishes include bratwurst sausages, schnitzel, sauerkraut, and pretzels. Bavaria is also renowned for its beer, and the state is home to some of the world's most famous breweries. Beer gardens and beer halls are popular gathering places, where locals and tourists can savor the flavors of Bavarian brews. Economic powerhouse. Bavaria is an economic powerhouse within Germany and Europe. The region is home to numerous multinational corporations, particularly in industries such as automotive manufacturing, technology, and aerospace. Munich, the capital of Bavaria, is a major financial and technology hub, known for its innovation and research institutions. Education and innovation. Bavaria is home to several prestigious universities and research centers, including Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, LMU, and the Technical University of Munich, TUM. These institutions have contributed significantly to Germany's reputation as a leader in scientific research and innovation. Scenic drives and outdoor activities. Bavaria offers some of the most scenic drives in Europe, with the Romantic Road and the Alpine Road being popular choices for road trips. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy hiking, skiing, snowboarding, and water sports, depending on the season. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.